What's up, everybody? Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm gonna make a quick, short, to the point video of how to do an alternator on a Jeep Wrangler. This is a 1999. I don't know the exact years, but I know these four straight sixes, or what was that? I said four. I know these straight sixes, that's what I meant. 4.0s are basically all the same. So what you're going to need to do is remove the airbox. You have three 8mm bolts that hold it in. Bom, bom, bom. You're going to want that extra space. And then what you can do is remove this 10mm nut here. Remove the battery terminals, which should be a 13mm. And then what you want to do is come over here. You want to unloosen this bolt here, which is a 15, and then you want to unloosen this bolt here, which is the tensioner bolt. That's a 15, and that's going to give you your that's going to loosen up your belt. And then what you can do is just loosen it up until the belt gets loose enough, obviously, until you can pull it off. You can just pull it off right here on this smooth pulley. It's a little harder on the grooved ones, but as you can see, that sucker comes off right there. And then what we got to do next, we have, I believe that's another 15. Let me just double check for you guys. Let me show you here. That is a 15. So 15mm, come on now. Get that sucker on there. Yep, that's a 15. So that one, this one's kind of tight, so I'm gonna have to spray that. And then you have another one here, another 15, which is also kind of tight. So I'm gonna have to spray that. I don't want to break it, so I'm not gonna rush it. And then let me show you what I got here. Let me show you some part numbers. So this is an O'Reilly. As you can see, that's the part number. Now they had two alternators, one with a higher voltage or amperage and another one with lower. I got the one with the higher because it just seemed better, and it was also less expensive for some reason. As you can see, there's only two bolts that hold it in, the two I showed you. Boom, boom. There's a connector here. Boom, boom. There's your main power wire right there. Boom, boom. And yeah, it's pretty straightforward and to the point. Make sure if your alternator killed your battery, to charge your battery before you run your vehicle again. But once you get those two bolts out, this whole thing should come right out. Easy peasy. And then, like I said, your tensioner, it's pretty straightforward. Once you get this out, it should come out right here. I mean, you may have to bend that a little bit, but not really an issue. Okay guys, if this video helped you out, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe for more how-to automotive videos. Thanks for watching.